Right, so I'm going to show you how to pair and connect your JBL Clip 5 to your Mac or MacBook. Now, the first thing you need to do is just make sure the speaker is on. So you can turn on the speaker using the power button on the side and then press the Bluetooth button to put the speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode. And you can tell it's in Bluetooth pairing mode because that light at the top there is going to blink rapidly. Now, once you do that, you can now go to the Bluetooth settings of your Mac. So just go to the control center icon at the top here, click on that, and then go to Bluetooth. Click on that little arrow next to Bluetooth, and then select Bluetooth settings. Now, on the Bluetooth settings window, let me just bring it to the middle here. Scroll to the bottom of that page, and you can see it's already detected our JBL Clip 5. All you have to do now is click on Connect, and it should get connected. So you can see the light on the speaker stops blinking. It's now a steady light, which means there's a connection. And at the top of this list, you will see your JBL Clip 5 is connected. So you can now close that window. And just to make sure sound is coming from the speaker, just go to the control center again. And then this time go to sound and click on that little arrow on near sound. And then select your JBL Clip 5 as your output device. So now anything you play from your Mac or MacBook will play through the JBL Clip 5. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.